She's back. She's here. FedEx, I just dropped her off. And we got a new hood. Oh, excited, baby. Super excited. Oh, yes. Made sure she was not dented or damaged or anything, so I popped her off. It's pretty big. Gotta put that in my truck and get her off to Steve to paint. Nice. Back, and we are actually going to go get my hood today. I'm excited. So we're gonna have no more of this stock hood. Give a little bit of a more aggressive, speedy, whatever you want to call it, look, different look. So what I never saw in other videos I was looking at, but trying to see out what kind of size of the bolts or sockets you need to get it off, or what you need to get it off. It's just 3 on each side, 13 millimeter bolts you need to get out, and then a 10 millimeter to get that deep socket, to get that one off. Or down there, probably get a dude down there, so that way I can transfer everything over to the new truck. But I don't know, I'm trying to bait on. If I have some help, I'd be amazing, but we'll see. Definitely excited to get this new hood on, so wish me luck. We're gonna go get it from Steve's here in a little bit.
8 hours later.
We got her back from Steve's. We got her all lined up and everything. She looks perfect. It looks amazing. It just adds a little more depth or more lines to the body. It just sticks out a lot. So I'm gonna show you. So everything's all done, painted. And so the vent parts, they kind of, I guess they just go in there. But yeah, it's not that hard once you get the bolts out. The hardest part is just kind of actually lining it up. That's it. So it's not bad. It actually fits better than my stock one does. Like, it sits closer to the fenders. So yeah, it just goes in there. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, all the heat, if it does have heat, whatever, goes through there. So yeah, it has a stock little locking mechanism. But yeah, let's close her up. Looks amazing. And then from actually the driver's seat, it looks good right there. You kind of add a little more flair. It kind of sticks out a little bit. Pretty cool. I like it. Definitely get you one. I'm trying to find the link to buy it down below. So I got mine off Summit Racing, and it came through on that freight truck. So, and only actually took like 2-3 days. I can't remember exactly, but yeah, it only took like a couple of days to get. But that's because it came from Nevada. But yeah, get one. It's pretty cool. It's kind of expensive, but it's pretty nice.